This is Acupressure Point Triple Warmer 15, and you can find it in the shoulder. And you're gonna go above the scapula, and you're gonna feel like a muscly ridge here. So find the center of the spine of the bone, right at the shoulder level here. So you take 4 fingers and go out, and then 1 finger down from the top of the shoulder, and that's where you're gonna find this acupressure point. When you find it, it's a high defensive place in the body. Often, when we get sick or we need to defend ourselves, this is like, when we get our back up, it's the high point of this area. So you can push in fairly hard here, and then push in down toward the bottom of the body, and slightly in toward the center of the spine. When you have it there, you can hold it for 3 nice, long, slow, deep breaths. And when you're done, just let go gently.